For this recipe, we are using 4 tilapia fillets. They are about 6 to 8 ounces each. Use paper towels to pat them dry, just like so. To make the seasoning, we are using half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of kosher salt, and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Then mix to combine. Now sprinkle over the fish on both sides. With clean hands, rub the spices on the fish. Now set your air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 200 degrees Celsius, and set the time to 8 minutes. Let the air fryer preheat. And once the air fryer has been preheated, place the fish into the basket. Air fry for 8 minutes, flipping the fish halfway through. Meanwhile, let's make a lemon butter sauce. Combine 3 tablespoons of melted butter, 2 cloves of garlic minced, 1 tablespoon of fresh parsley, and the juice of half a lemon. Give that a quick mix to combine. And after 8 minutes, once the fish has been cooked to perfection, remove from the air fryer basket. Now pour the lemon butter sauce over the cooked fish. It looks like you are ready to eat. Ooh. There you guys have it, air fryer tilapia in only 8 minutes. Enjoy, buen provecho, thanks for watching, see you later, bye! Yeah.